In this video, I want to show you how to get all the project resources for this course. You will go to dotnetmastery.com and here go on the courses. Right here, I will have all of the courses. We will go to the course that you are on, which is .NET Core Microservices here, and I have three options. I have a link to buy the course, then I have a link for the GitHub repository, and I have a link to download the course content. Once the course content gets downloaded, and if you open up the zip file, you will notice that in the folder I will have two resources. First will be all the images for the course, and then I have snippets here. Inside snippets, I have the sections for all the snippets, and I also have a Word file which will show how to run the final project or what are the steps that are needed. So make sure to get all of the resources before you start the course. Then next thing here is the GitHub code. Here I have all of the commits based on the lecture. So you can see everything is divided by section. When you go to any of the section and the lecture name, you can exactly see what was modified and what was added. You can go with a split view and you can compare exactly the changes in your section. So in a video, if something does not work, you can come to that particular commit inside GitHub and see if you have misspelled something or something is missed out. So again, to get all of your resources, go to dotnetmastery.com. Also, all of my courses will be on sale on .NET Mastery on 1st and 15th of every month. So make sure to take advantage if you are curious about any of my other courses.